Hello everyone. Many of our customers and viewers have asked us that on any UPS it always says 600 VA, 700 VA and 1000 VA, and on back it always say load up to 360 watt, 480 watt and 650 watt. So what is the difference between volt and watt? Why does the number vary so much? And in today's video I am going to answer just that. But first things first, happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you all from our MSP family. And with that, I, Dr. Anna Rao Maduru Puttuswamy, aka Dr. Ramp, welcome you all to my lab. Let's go. Many people are confused about the distinction between the watt and volt amp measure for UPS load sizing. And manufacturers of UPS and load equipments add to this confusion by failing to distinguish between these measures. So let's head up to the presentation area and clear this confusion. For systems like UPS and inverters, VA rating is apparent power or the capacity in which it is available in the market, and watts is the real power which equipment can actually deliver the load. Both watt and VA rating have a use and purpose. The watt rating determines the actual power purchased from the utility company and the heat loading generated by the equipment. The VA rating is used for the sizing, wiring and circuit breakers. The VA and watt rating for some type of electrical loads like incandescent light bulb are identical. However, for computer equipment, the watt and VA ratings can differ significantly, with the VA rating always equal to or larger than the watt rating. The ratio of watt to VA rating is called the power factor and is expressed either in the number as 0.7 or percentage, that is 70%. The power ratings of the UPS. UPS have both maximum watt rating and maximum VA ratings. Neither the watt nor the VA rating of UPS may be exceeded. It is a de facto standard in the industry that the watt rating is approximately 60% of the VA rating for small UPS systems, this being the typical power factor of common personal computer loads. In some cases, like small UPS designed for computer loads, UPS manufacturers only publish the VA ratings for the UPS. It is appropriate to assume that the watt rating of the UPS is 60% of the published VA rating. For larger UPS systems, it is becoming common to focus on the watt rating of the UPS and to have the equal watt and VA ratings for the UPS, because the watt and VA ratings of the typical loads are equal. Now, with the example, let us see where a sizing problem can occur. Consider the case of a typical 1000 VA UPS. The user wants to power a 900 watt heater with the UPS. The heater has a watt rating of 900 watt and a VA rating of 900 VA. With a power factor of 1, although the VA rating of the load is 900 VA, which is within the VA rating of the UPS will probably not power this load. That is because the 900 watt rating of the load exceeds the watt rating of the UPS, which is most likely 60% of 1000 VA or around 600 watt. I hope this example has cleared your confusion. If not, please feel free to comment below your query and we will try to solve in the best possible way. Well, on this note, I like to close this presentation. If you have liked the video and you have liked me, please like and share this video with your friends and family. And subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification. Also, connect with us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Links are in the description. And if you want to know more about the services, call us on 9696 086262 or send an email to info@msplgroup.com or visit www.msplgroup.com. Thank you for watching this video till end and being with us. Again, Merry Christmas and wish you a Happy New Year. See you soon.